The Philippines isn't just a paradise of islands, it's a paradise of flavor. Philippines Water Wave. Here, food tells stories of family, history, and heart. A blend of Asian, Spanish, and local traditions that make every meal unforgettable. Red Heart. The country's most iconic dish? Adobo. Poultry leg sparkles. Tender chicken or pork simmered slowly in soy sauce. Vinegar, garlic, and bay leaves. It's savory, tangy, and full of love. Every household has its own version, passed down like a secret recipe of the soul. Chopsticks fire. Then there's Sinigang, a warm and sour tamarind soup that comforts the spirit, and Lechon, a perfectly roasted whole pig, golden, crispy, and the pride of every celebration. Pig party popper. Speech balloon, what Filipino dish would you try first? Adobo, lechon, or halo halo? If this journey made you hungry for the islands, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trip Tales Globe Showing Asia Australia.